Hi, I'm Tilly and I'm a designer of beautiful bathrooms and kitchens here at Gary Fullwood Designed Living, and today I'm answering the question of what is the best flooring for your kitchen. There are many different types of flooring which include wood, laminate, vinyl, tiles and natural stone. Wood is a very durable product, but it needs to be treated and maintained as it can be damaged easily. Laminate, depending on the grading of laminate, it can be more durable to water than wood, however it can mark and chip easily. Vinyl, it is a very durable product and it is waterproof, so it can last a very long time. However, it can be marked easily when heavy items are placed on it. For example, fridges or sitting on a chair in a regular place, it will leave marks. Then there are tiles, which are harder to install but a very durable product which can last a very long time. Lastly, there is natural stone, which can last a lifetime, but it does need to be treated and well looked after. There are other things which you can consider, like underfloor heating. There are two types, electric and hydronic. Electric is easier to install, however it can be costly to run. Hydronic is water-based, cheaper to run, but is harder to install and maintain. In all of our projects we use a subflooring. Depending on which base you already have, depends on the next steps. When it comes to choosing your kitchen flooring, you need to consider whether you have children running around, pets. Your kitchen is usually the hub of the home where friends and family gather, so you need to make sure that the maintenance will be right for you. We have created lots of blogs, videos and articles, all to help you with your home improvements. If you have any further questions regarding your kitchen floor, then please leave us a comment, drop us a message or give us a call.